So I got this Makarov supposedly taken from or copied from a PPK, and also copied from the exact Makarov designer pistol. And I seen the reviews online, and they say that this should be blowback. This one doesn't look like it is, and it isn't. The only thing that it has is a safety mechanism. The trigger is supposed to go down. Trigger guard is supposed to go down, and it doesn't go down. It does, however. Give me a second. I don't have the camera phone holder. It does go back. You pull it by the hand, no springs, just a straight pull back. And it comes with a tool. I don't know what's going on with the phone, it's a little blurry. There. Comes with the tool inside the box because it doesn't have a wing in there to pierce the CO2. And it's basically an Allen wrench. The tool, let's see, the tool comes inside here underneath. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know what an Allen wrench is. If not, well, this is the closest thing they give you to an Allen. And when it comes to the loader or the charger, depending on how you call it, it is constructed out of steel. Has the mechanism like I've seen on the internet. Pull it down, you stick it over to the side, a little spring there, grabs on, a little latch grabs on, spring loaded. You stick the BBs in there. But the biggest deal was that it is not, does not have the blowback feature, and the upper slide does not remove. Still looks like the real deal, like the one that it replicates. But it's still a pretty fun gun. Not anything to beat up any rodents with. But something to do some target shooting. Just relaxing in the backyard. Just be careful. It still has enough power to crack a window. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. And at least now you guys know that there is others out there that are not blowback featured, like the main, like most of the ones I've seen on the internet. Okay.